The only system that works in Africa is the church. I don't care if you say they are manipulative or swindling people. What I know for sure is the system is working and they are having results. If that be the case, there will be something to learn from them. Apart from a couple of issues here and there, religious leadership in Africa is something to reckon with. There are great qualities such as organization, management, vision, focus, commitment, and service. People are devoted to the work of God, and they serve their leaders with diligence and reverence. I don't know any other system in Africa that is with that so much organization and excellence like the church. If you go to popular churches in Africa, you will understand what I'm talking about. When it comes to making individual lives better, there might be issues, but on a collective scale, they deserve kudos. It's not easy to lead people. Look at top organizations in the world. You will see them having challenges with dealing with people because human beings are the most difficult beings to lead in the world. Despite that, many churches in Africa have thrived. They have been able to overcome the hurdles and challenges of establishing an organization on the continent. Businesses might not thrive, but religious centers will. People might not go to their offices or workshops, but they will attend church services. Someone might not pay their children's school fees, but they will pay their tithes and offerings. All of these show one thing: commitment. There is something propelling our people to behave this way. They are not just robots. They are people with senses and wisdom. They know what they want and what is working for them. And to a large extent, that is us, Africans. That is who we are. Even though many of us might not be doing these things right, we know it's working. We know if God has said it, He will do it. People believe their pastors more than the politicians. They believe the Bible more than the Constitution of their country. And that is where the power is. That is where our strength is. We are a spiritually inclined people. This is not the case with many nations in the world. Africa has a unique case. We are a people of spiritual understanding. So, if this religious system is already working, why not bring it on a larger scale? If we have so much honor and reverence for spiritual things, why not bring it to the most important part of our society, political leadership? Our politics must be sanitized with spiritual disinfectants. We need people who are spiritually sensitive, not just religious leaders. We need people who will leave personal and selfish ambitions aside and devote their lives to serving people and the nation. As a matter of fact, every one of us will be involved in this leadership because we all have connection with God. We are all spiritually sensitive and alert, and that is what makes this leadership efficient. There will be no undercarpet dealings because whoever messes up will be dealt with spiritually and immediately. Look at what happened in the early church to Ananias and Sapphira. They were both dealt with when they lied against the Holy Spirit. That is the same thing I see happening with those who take this leadership lightly. God Himself will raise men and women who will serve His people and bring lasting solution and freedom to our nations and continent. Read next, Part 3. Read previous, Part 1. If you enjoy this post, kindly share with someone. Thanks for your support. Will you like to write a book? Share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book? Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookmindsgmail.com.get my books on Amazon, my Amazon books. If you want customized songs for you or your loved one's birthday, wedding, or any ceremony, I Say Music got you. Contact sopiansofgojmail.com. You can also check out these posts. 1. Your gift makes fulfilling your purpose easy. 2. Everything you need is in the hands of people. 3. 7 surprising ways to lose weight. 4. What to do when you are confused. Kindly drop your comments, like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.